Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Microsoft Edge your default browser on Windows 10 in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking for speed, security, or seamless integration with Windows, setting Edge as your default ensures every link you click opens automatically in it. Let's dive in. First, we need to open the Start menu. You can do this by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen or by simply pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Next, we'll access Settings. Look for the gear icon and click on it. This opens up all the options you need to manage your system. From here, navigate to Default Apps. You'll see this option on the left-hand menu in the Settings window. Click on it, and you'll see a list of default applications for various tasks like email, music, and web browsing. Now, scroll down until you find the web browser section. Here you'll see the browser that's currently set as your default. It might be Chrome, Firefox, or something else. To change it, simply click on the current browser. A list of all installed browsers on your computer will appear. From this list, select Microsoft Edge. And that's it. Windows will now recognize Edge as your default browser, and every link you open from emails, documents, or apps will automatically launch in Edge. Just a quick tip. If you ever install a new browser in the future, Windows might ask if you want to set it as the default. You can always come back to Settings Greater than Default Apps to switch back to Edge whenever you like. And there you have it. A quick, simple way to make Microsoft Edge your default browser on Windows 10. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.